Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out to post a video on Steam and you're looking out how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process, so let's just get started. So for that you need to link your YouTube account via a web browser, not the application. So you need to open up a browser and go to Steam and hit enter. Once you do, you will be finding this official site of Steam. Open it up, and within there, if you're not logged in, you can log in into your account. So select this option of login at the top and log in with your account. And once you are logged in, you can go to your profile. So look out for your username in the top right corner and select it. And go to the section for view my profile and click on it. After you click on that option, you will be taken to this page right here, and on your profile page, on your right hand side, look out for the video section and click on it and open it up. Now what we need to do is, in order to post a video, we need to link a YouTube video. So you can look out for the option for link YouTube video, this one right here. And once you click on it, you will be taken to this particular section of page right here, and you will need to grant some permission for that. So you can directly look out for this option of accessing YouTube video selected, and once you do so, need to provide in details. And once your Google account will be successfully linked, you will be finding all of the videos that you have uploaded on your YouTube account directly in the section right here. Right now I do not have any, so it's saying there are no videos on my YouTube collection to choose from. So if you have a YouTube video, it will show you. You can just go over and look out for the add video to post it to your profile and the relevant games community page, and that's it. So that is it everybody. You may follow this process to post a video on Steam pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.